So when you open your bag, you're going to find obviously both pedals. The RPM Tesla branded brake pedal and the RPM Tesla branded accelerator pedal. Now both pedals are made out of solid aluminum and it's highly polished. And they have, of course, rubber inserts that go through the channels in the front to help grip your feet. And we made one thing different and better than the imports, like we mentioned in the comments. This is a 70 durometer rubber, which is stiff. This is 40. This is super soft, super easy to install. It's going to flex back and forth when you rip it, when you grip the handles, and when you try to install it. So let's put them on. You don't need any tools. Just simply hop in the car. And obviously in the Model 3 and the Model S, which these will both fit, we have a metal accelerator pedal with nothing on it. This is how all the cars are delivered. And again, this is the brake pedal. So just grab the rubber from behind it and pull this off. And this is SBR rubber. Tesla sells it this way. And these are SBR rubber with the RPM logo. So let's do the brake real quick. So you'll notice we have the recessed lip running all the way around. Just put it over the top, pull it down, secure it, and then pull the bottom flap. And that's it. It's installed. That perfect. So we made it a little adjustable for different size feet. That way, if you have a foot here and you want to slide it over, you don't want to drag on it, you can actually move it back and forth. Again, that's the brake pedal. And now for the accelerator. This one, personally, I know that you can spend hours trying to get this on and not get it on properly. So these cutouts here are for your fingers to show you which way to put on last. And you just simply put this side on and then make sure the bottom is secure. So you have to hook on the right side, pull the bottom up, and then we're gonna grab the left side. Now this is where it gets a little tricky, and you just gotta get your fingers behind the rubber strip, but with 40 durometer it's a lot easier, and pull it over. So I got all that rubber down and all this rubber around the pedal. Then it's just a matter of grabbing little spots, pulling them, and making sure that it's completely on the accelerator. Notice on the top, I'm doing the same thing, wrapping it behind the metal. And I think I'll go in for a little close-up view. You can see, even from behind, that it's completely held on to the steel pedal. And if you have any edges, again, you want to make sure this is secure and wrapped around. And I feel rubber all the way around the back, all the way around every spot. So that looks beautiful, huh? Stainless steel, aluminum pedals with SBR rubber inserts for extra grip. Performance pedals, RPM Tesla. And don't forget, if you don't have these floor mats, pick up our dead pedal. And again, that's in stock. We've been selling it like crazy. All three look perfect together, but obviously with floor mats that cover the footrest area, you don't really need it. Thanks again. Performance pedals, aluminum and rubber from RPM Tesla. This one, you can throw it in the trash. Thank you.